Hello my friends, here's Dr. Ray from Dr. Ray's English Clinic, telling you a little bit about my special pre-IELTS course for pre-intermediate speakers. This is not a true IELTS course, but it will prepare you to study IELTS in a very, very effective way. So how does it work? There are 5 50-minute lessons with Dr. Ray in this course. So you need to book 5 times. You need to have 5 bookings, preferably about a week apart. And there will be lots of work to do between the lessons. How does it work? Let's have a look. Okay, we see here is the whole course of 5 lessons. The topics are the ugliest animal, changes in recipes to Coca-Cola, police arrest a coconut, fly me to the moon, and silly laws. You can see down here what you will have to do. If you have a look through this sometime, you will see that everything you have to do here is preparing you for the IELTS exam. The outcomes are shown here, what you can expect to happen from here. But each lesson requires your viewing a video before the class, doing a listening exercise, and also writing an essay on the subject given. The essay will be corrected during class and according to 5-paragraph IELTS style argumentative essay requirements. During the lesson you will be engaged in discussion as per IELTS speaking format and given the chance to expand your vocabulary and fluency. The lessons will be recorded and you can review via the included MP3 audio file you will receive immediately the lesson is over. This course prepares you to take a more intensive course to enable you to ace the IELTS exam. So, how are the lessons organized? Let's take a look. Let's just take one of the topic lessons and see how it works. The ugliest animal. What you're required to do, it will be before the lesson to write an IELTS format essay, and we will discuss the corrections. Don't worry, all this will be sent to you with the lessons before the lesson is ready. You will have to listen and do IELTS format listening exercises prior to meeting with me. Then when we meet, we will discuss the topic and the things like your essay and essay corrections, etc. together. What will this achieve for you in this lesson? It will introduce you to the IELTS essay writing procedures and what is expected. Introduction to IELTS listening tactics. How to prepare a discussion, and will also be involved with vocabulary building and grammar. The first thing that happens, you will be sent the lesson material a week before your lesson, and you will view a video via a link which will be given to you on the topic of the lesson. Let's take a look at one right now. This is for the blobfish.
A winner has prevailed in a worldwide competition voted on by the public. The world's ugliest animal is the blobfish. Yeah, this even made my stomach turn, and I get to cover some pretty gross stories. I mean, look at that mini blob or whatever that is dripping from its grim frown. Ugh.
The blobfish has won the award to be the mascot for the Ugly Animal Preservation Society.
The British Society is dedicated to raising the profile of some of Mother Nature's most aesthetically challenged children. Biologist and TV presenter Simon...
Okay, you get the idea. So you will have to have a look at the video that you're sent, and then you will be asked to write an essay about the topic. You will also have some reading to do before, as well as the video. You'll be able to write an essay about the topic and send it to me for correction before we have our lesson. And in our lesson we will talk about the corrections and how to organize the essays for the following lesson. For example, in the material that I send you, you will see an instruction like this. Writing. Compare and contrast a blobfish and a cute, fluffy kitten. Now, will you make mistakes with this? Yes, of course you will. But making mistakes is the way to learning how to do things correctly. If you don't make mistakes, you don't need to be taking this course, do you? We will talk together during the lesson about what needs to be done to make the next lesson's essay more IELTS friendly. Before the lesson, you will also listen to a story about this topic, not only the one in the video. The video is just to capture your imagination. You will also listen to an MP3 about the topic. This MP3 will be sent to you, and you will have to answer from that some true-false questions about the listening. This is preparing you for the true-false not given type questions in IELTS, which you will find in both the reading and the listening. This is to train you to the format of listening you will encounter in the IELTS exam. You will also be able to read the listening script and use it as a reading exercise to answer the same true-false questions. At this stage, there's no point in making it difficult, so we use the very same. You will also be asked, before we take the lesson, to do some vocabulary building. Before coming to the lesson, you will be asked to do a vocabulary building exercises, such as synonym matching exercises using vocabulary from the topic. And we will discuss this during the lesson if needed. So, now it's time to come to the lesson at the appointed time on Skype or whatever other program we've decided with me. What will happen? Okay, well, first we will talk about the essay you wrote and talk about how it could be improved to make it more IELTS friendly. Next, we will talk about some vocabulary from the topic text to be sure you understand it. After that, we will discuss the 20 questions that you received regarding the topic and get your opinions. Last, we will role-play the situations that have already been sent to you regarding the topic. That all sounds quite a lot. It is. It's good value for money. On some lessons, we will concentrate on speaking strategy and other types of exercises, so each lesson will be slightly different. To sum up, this course of 5 lessons will make you IELTS ready by training you in the strategies that are needed and in how to use them to gain the best possible results. I have plenty of students with lots of recommendations who have done very, very well in IELTS by following my instructions. Why couldn't you do it? So, in conclusion, this is Dr. Ray from Dr. Ray's English Clinic. I'm very proud that I specialize in helping smart people achieve their dreams. You can dare to make your dreams come true. If you want more information, you can contact me by going to my website, drraysenglishclinic.com. We have excellent references. You study at your own pace in the comfort of your own home or your office. We have proven fast-track study methods. We have a range of courses at levels to suit your ability, from beginners right up to high-level advanced. And you study at times that suit you. Today is the first day of the rest of your life. Make it count. Do something that is going to improve your situation and your future. Contact me now. Have a nice day.